Two dudes in an argument. One's walking off. Oh, somebody throws something at somebody. Dude comes back around the corner. And just like that, this altercation gets crazy. Boom! What's up, you guys? Byron, Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review. Learn protection strategies from a protection professional. Let's see what we can learn from this situation. And honestly, I think this one's a really, really simple one. Just because you're bluffing doesn't mean the other person's bluffing. Good to go. I don't think these guys at any point in time, the reality of our world right now is that emotional intelligence is at an all-time low as a result of our values being at an all-time low, right? So people aren't learning discipline. People aren't learning respect. People aren't learning honor, right? You used to be able to get into a street fight and it was just a street fight. You go ice yourself or sew yourself up afterwards. But now I'm getting more and more videos of kids, getting in street fights, scrapping and whatever. And then one of them pulls out a gun and shoots the other one right there. There's no honor anymore. So what I wanted to put this video out today to show you guys is the reality that you don't know what someone's going to do. You don't know what someone's going to do. This guy right here, they're in an argument, whatever. This guy in the blue shirt already pulls out a gun. You hear the guy in the white shirt say, shoot me, right? Shoot me. He goes, he picks up his thing. Boom. He throws something at him. My man in the blue shirt is literally ready to go to jail for the rest of his life right now. Just like that. Just because there are a lot of psychological pitfalls people fall into around self-defense, right? And one of those is just thinking that you know what someone else would do because you wouldn't do it. Like, there's no way this guy is going to be willing to go to jail for the rest of his life because I threw something at him tonight. And murder me in cold blood, and murder me in front of the entire universe with CCTV videos everywhere. Wrong. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, really, actually, he's absolutely willing to go to jail for the rest of his life and murder you in the middle of everywhere and on CCTV. And he because maybe he's making an emotional decision. Maybe he's on drugs. Maybe it's just his hood where he comes from. And the honor code is, yo, you gotta you can't get disrespected like this in public. Somebody's gonna die. You know what I'm saying? That's the reality of this game. And so it's very dangerous for normal people or people that have never lived in these types of environments and you don't know what social code somebody's operating from to go and do anything that's provocative, provocatory, provoking that person, especially after you see that they have a gun, okay? In an age where honor and, the reality that, we don't really respect anybody or anything. We can do whatever we want. This is a video I've definitely felt like I needed to put out because the reality of the game is you can't do anything you want to any and everybody you want. You can learn some really hard lessons that are really hard to come back from if you don't have the street smarts and the emotional intelligence to get yourself through what doesn't even have to be a violent altercation. These scenarios and situations will be won up here before they're won out here. A wise warrior wins first and then goes to war. So study, learn, train with us at protectorsymposium.com. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next piece of content. This is Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade, out. Boom!